What's up, guys? My name is Mikey, also known as Young Sum. You guys can find me on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, Pandora by searching Young Sum, Y-U-N-G space S-U-M. Today I'm just going to be playing a couple songs for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Shout out to Jeremy Synova for hosting this, and shout out to all the other amazing artists. I can't wait to hear just what everyone... I can't wait to hear just everyone else. And so I'll start off by singing my song Deep End. It's not out yet. It comes out June 15th, and this is just a very, very stripped down version, just me on a little keyboard. But the track is very full, but you guys just have to be a little patient and wait till June. So, but I hope you guys like it. Let's see.
One more chance to say goodnight. No one cares for us to try. I'll be waiting, I'll be cutting ties. Living with the back door open, I'm at a loss for words. Settle down, give you the world. It's not about drinks, what you on about. Can't you see there's more to me and you? There are things we should never believe in, going off the deep end, trying to find a reason. There are things we should never believe in, going off the deep end. Bum bum ba, yeah. Going off the deep end, going off the deep end, going off the, yeah. Going off the deep end, going off the deep end. One more chance to see you smile. I just don't think twice. Wallow in myself before I take off for a while. I'm on the road again. What am I supposed to do? I'm all alone again, trying to get to you. Living with the back door open, I'm at a loss for words. Settle down, give you the word. It's not about drinks, what you on about. Can't you see there's more to me and you? Oh, yeah. There are things we should never believe in, going off the deep end, trying to find a reason. There are things we should never believe in, going off the deep end. Bum bum ba, yeah. Going off the deep end, going off the, yeah. Going off the deep end, going off the. Seasons change for the better, for the better. 'Cause I'm here to stay. You one in a million, one in a million. Seasons change for the better, for the better. And I'm here to stay. You're one in a million, and I'm on a mission to let you know we're going off the deep end, going off the, yeah. Going off the deep end. Bum bum ba ba, yeah. Going off the deep end, going off the deep end, going off the, yeah. Going off the deep end. Whoa.
Thank you guys so much. That was Deep End. June 15th, all platforms. I didn't really think my set list through too much, but let's see. I'm gonna do my song. Let's see. I'm gonna do my song "Moving On." So that came out maybe like January of 2019, and it's probably my most popular song. But if any of you guys know it and you guys are watching this, feel free to sing along. Even though, unfortunately, I can't hear you guys, but I would love that. So let's see. I'm gonna transpose this. I'm not too amazing at playing the keys. I can if I really tried, but let me just transpose this sucker. Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm playing the same chords. Let's see. How does it go? I'm trying to remember the words. Yeah. I guess I'll just go to the pre-chorus.
Picture getting caught up in the waves, hoping that we'll find a better way to make it out, to make it out. I wouldn't wanna make the big mistake of moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, more on, moving on, moving on. I have tried to let this pain go by, but every day gets heavier. The weight of this world on my shoulders, lying by beneath the sun and open those eyes. I'm wide awake, I need some space. I'm getting lost in worldly ways. So picture getting caught up in the waves, hoping that we'll find a better way to make it out, to make it out. I wouldn't wanna make the big mistake of moving on, 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 yeah. Moving on, moving on, yeah. And I don't really care if you've been sneaking out. It's a once in a lifetime, and that's all I can give you tonight. I don't really know if you've been missing out. It's been all on your timeline. Now I'm passing the time, passing minute to win it. I'm feeling like it's a finish. I'm sick of these past few months and these last few texts. Been trying to keep it chill with my hands off deck. I'm next up, I pray for peace in this jacked up society, get my checks up. I'm blessed but I'm stressing and catching a kill, son. Been really trying to find the meaning behind young son. But I know I feel some tension in the room when the spotlight's hitting you, and that's really such a view, yeah. Medicine, I feel so confident but reckless at the same time. You got me tripping on these landmines. I don't really care if you've been sneaking out. It's a once in a lifetime, and that's all I can give you tonight. I don't even know if you've been missing out. It's been all on your time. Let me tell you about these past weeks on a broken Sunday. The coconut breeze with the hints of lemonade. Ice cold sheets, but it's fine by you and me. Yeah, about these silent nights and constant episodes. Call my phone, but no one's home again. Nothing, but it's fine by you and me. Yeah.
So I kind of just did a medley there, unintentionally, but it worked. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Is my love too much?
This is actually, I did a cover of Feelings by Lauv. But I mean, might as well do it again. So this is Feelings by Lauv. It goes.
Is my love too much? Is it just enough for you? For you? 'Cause it's getting late. Would you like to stay? 'Cause I'm bad at reading signs, but I wanna do whatever you wanna do. If you wanted to, girl, we could cross that line. No, we've been friends and love only knows broken until. That's what you said, but feelings are hard to find. Oh, these feelings are hard to find. Yeah. I feel it in my chest, a tiny boy within. But when I pull you closer, girl, I can't explain, but I wanna do whatever you wanna do. If you wanted to, girl, we could cross that line. No, we've been friends and love only knows broken until. That's what you said, 'cause feeling ain't your mind. Oh, these feelings are hard to find. Yeah. These feelings.
Let's see. That was Feelings by Lauv. Shout out Lauv. He's one of my biggest inspirations. Go check out his album How I'm Feeling. It just came out March 6th. So let's see. This next song is called Devotion. I just put it out 2 weeks ago. Yeah, exactly 2 weeks ago. It's called Devotion. Goes sorry, hold on, let me. Sorry, I was moving the sustain pedal. Goes
Come on, let me focus on that cheesy smile. Yeah, I could never focus if you weren't for you right by my side. beauty's no surprise. I will remember your promise, your loving devotion, your devotion, devotion, your devotion, devotion. Tearing my strings apart, taking every chance I get. I've been running from all the notes you've left, 'cause I'm honestly still up in my head, living like a hermit, not looking to earn it. This is not the first, but it feels like this is worthless. I went down to Maine and I made myself a purchase. I don't doubt the struggle, but it's showing on the surface. Your devotion, devotion, your devotion, yeah. I keep on staying out instead of laying low. I'm undecided if I'm humbled by the weight of my own desires. They're higher, the more that I fight on, waiting for the plot twist, waiting for my purpose. I'm not deserving. Definitely forgot the words, yeah. Your devotion, devotion, your devotion, devotion.
Really like that chord. It's a cool little pass. Let's see. Let's go back to these chords. Let's see. Could do Late Goodbyes. So this is my song Late Goodbyes. I put it out this year, definitely. February I think. So let's see.
Staring out my window, searching for some trouble lights. Don't know where it started, but I see what's in the yard. And it all happened so suddenly, I'm running out of oxygen. I feel like this is meant to be, but maybe it's just me. I didn't wanna talk like I was used to, letting things ruin my plans. It's the memories of honest thinking I can shake this pain. It's the Friday nights and late goodbyes that get me in my head. I've been fighting opportunities to break these chains, to break these chains.
There's like a little spoken word thing. It's like, if I can say it correctly, it's like we all have challenges. We all have addictions. We all have struggles. Something in between those things, but it's like there's one thing that we have to remember. This is very true, but it's to always love and to always forgive. Very important. And then it comes in with like this little rap section. It's funny because the track's like really guitar. But it's like
Quit proposing and stepping over to work, yeah. I'm betting most of you fighting the inner urge, yeah. I'm punching harder than anybody on earth, and I'm preaching to the choir, man, it really hurts. Yeah, here's a story about this baby blue. He tried his best at being one of you. He put the music on a long pause, long like his face when he saw the views. He prayed a lot, but he's scared he's got a lot to lose.
Definitely kind of messed up the piano, but that's how it goes. So it's like, back to chorus.
I didn't wanna talk like I was used to letting things ruin my plans. The memories of honest thinking I could shake this pain. It's the Definitely checked it out, but it's okay. But it's okay. Yeah, yeah.
This next song is called Supervillains. I don't know if it will ever come out, but maybe, so we'll see. Goes,
What's my purpose here? Pretty faces. I'm overthinking what I wear and what I eat. And to this day it's hard to sleep. What's my purpose here? Brittle feelings, way too hard and much too short for us to live it. The north just feels like solid ground.
cheap ass flights.
Cheap ass flights to New York, chillin'. We pass time like super villains. We pass out at 3 a.m. in the moments where we'll spend. Deep blue eyes, you're all.
No. Sorry, take it back. So it goes. Cheap ass movies.
Cheap ass movies, girl, I love you. Deep blue eyes, you're all I wanted. From the mountaintops, I'll wear my heart for you till the skies are falling down. The skies are falling down. Down, yeah, down.
What's your middle name?
What's your middle name? Beating around the bush, but you're too smart to play this game. Filling up your closet, I just want your honesty. I don't need your body. Please don't tell me sorry, that you did nothing wrong. I will sing this song a million times for us to get along. I just want the best for you. I see what is best in you. Cheap ass flights to New York, chillin'. We pass time like super villains. We pass out at 3 a.m. in the moments where we'll spend. Cheap ass movies, girl, I love you. Deep blue eyes, you're all I wanted. From the mountaintops, I'll wear my heart for you till the skies are falling down, 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 yeah.
Let's see. I don't know. I think that's gonna conclude it for today. But I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying occupied during quarantine. I'm kind of used to being home, so it doesn't really feel too much like a quarantine. But just stay safe, but make sure to definitely see, your family and your friends and tell them that you love them, and, because we never know. We never know what might happen. So not to say that in like a depressing way, but, I guess like treat every moment like it's your last, so like call your mom and tell her that you love her and miss her, So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for joining. Shout out Synova again. Shout out Lonnie Rose, Just a Gent. I'm excited to see everyone else. But I hope you guys enjoyed some music. If you guys like what you hear and want to hear all the produced stuff, you guys feel free to check out my music on whatever you got: SoundCloud, YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, anything. Just look up Young Sum. That's YUNG space SUM. So go check it out. Feel free to. But thanks so much for watching, guys. So peace.